Yes. Now children, today we learn Social Studies second class. Yes children, everyone take out your social textbook. Yes children, already we learn. Yes children, already we learn more about plant lesson is completed. Yes children, now I'll give some notes children today. First write in your textbook. Okay children? Chalo, ready children? See children, first bit, A bit, fill in the blanks. Yes children, fill in the blanks. First one is the part of the plant that has seeds in is called a ovals. O-V-U-L-E-S. Second one, dash parts of a plant is found in the soil. Root. R-O-O-T. Root. Third one, the dash is carries food and water to parts of plant. Yes children. Answer is stem. And fourth one is animal like dash and dash leaves on a tree. What children? Snakes and birds. Birds. Fifth one, plants help to make their air, carbon dioxide. Yes children, write neatly here. First write in your textbook here. Next write in your classwork book. Okay children, start writing. Yes children, the part of the plants that has seeds in it is called a ovals. The part of the plant is found in the soil. Answer is root. The dash carries food and water to all parts of the plant stem. Animals like snakes and birds live on tree. Plants help to make the carbon dioxide. Finish children? Yes. See children, next bit, color the box green in the color that we get from plants. See children here, B bit. Color the box in the green for things we get from plants. Honey is the get from the plant children? Yes or no? No. Honey is get the honeybees. So here see children. Log. These are see children. Logs are get the and shades. Shades also plants. And vegetables also plants, and flower also plants. Green color the box. Color the box green for things we get from plants. Plants get from this all children logs and these shades also, and vegetables also we get plants, and flowers also we get plants. Color the green color children, like this only. Okay, do children, see bit, answer the following. First one, name any two animals that live on tree. Two animals children, monkey and bird. Monkey and bird live in tree. Name two parts of a plant. Leaves, stem. And third one, name is a function of roots. Holds the plant. Holds the plant. What do we green leaves need to make a food for the plant? Water and sunlight. Water, sunlight, and what children? Nutrients. N-U-T-R-I-E-N-T-S. Nutrients. Yes, any two animals that live on trees. Monkey, bird. Name any two parts of plants. Leaves, stem. What is the function of root? Holds the plant. What do green leaves need to make food for the plant? Water, sunlight and nutrients. Understood children? Here write children neatly. Yes children, finish. Monkey, bird, leaf, stem, hold the plant, water, sunlight and nutrients. What happens if we burn leaves that things? That what should we do? Instead of practicing children, what happens if we burn leaves? Yes children and twins, what should we instead the practice? Think children, life skills values. Take to the garden of your neighborhood park. Find how he takes care of the plants. Talk to gardener. Okay children, talk to gardener of your neighborhood park. Find how he take care of the plants. You talk to your gardener how to take care of our plants. See children, enjoy. Take 3 sapling and keep the sapling under this condition. First one, keep it close in the shoe box and the water regularly. Keep it the open area but not it over. Keep it the open area and water regularly. Observe for 3 weeks. What do you notice? Yes children, this one you only do children. Okay. See children, next bit fun time. If our duty to take a good care of plants. Look at the picture given below and take the does at the cross, the does not. Sowing seeds. Yes children, sowing seed. Right or wrong children? Sowing seeds is right or wrong? Yes, right. Answer is right. Yes children. First one, sowing seeds. See children here. So Right. Watering plant. Yes, children, see here. Two ladies and one gents is here. See children. Two mummies, one father is there. They are sowing seeds. These are good children. Yes. See children, the girl is watering a plant. So this is good or right or wrong? This is also right. See children here. A boy hitting a tree. It is right or wrong? It is a wrong children. Next one. Uprooting of plants. See children here. Two boys are there. Uprooting of plants. So answer is right. Fifth one. A girl hugging a tree. See children. A girl is hugging a tree. Answer is right. And sixth one children. A man chopping a tree is good or bad children? Not. It is a wrong. Right, wrong, right, wrong. Here right children, this box you write. Okay, right children? Yes children, finish. See children, page number 73. Yes, page number 73, worksheet. Chapter 9 by 12. Yes children, fill in the blanks. First one is a take up dash and his weight. A is takers, take up dash and as weight. So answer is space. Yes children, A takes up space and is weight. Second one, dash and dash are the uses of water, cooking and bathing. Yes children, cooking and bathing. C-O-O-K-I-N-G, cooking and bathing. B-A-T-H-I-N-G, bathing. Next children, some foods. Yes children, some foods eaten. Yes children, some foods eaten like can be eaten raw. So answer is carrot. C-A-R-R-O-T. Carrot eaten by raw children. Okay. Air gets polluted by dash. What children? Smoke. S-M-O-K-E, smoke. Dash protect our body from heat, rain, cold and storm. What children? Cloths. C-L-O-T-H-E-S, cloths. And dash prepared food for the plant, leaves. Yes children, write neatly here children. Worksheet part, chapter 9 by 12. Write neatly children here. Okay, start children writing. Some food items like carrot can be eaten raw. C-A-R-R-O-T. Carrot. Air gets polluted by smoke. S-M-O-K-E. Smoke. Yes, children. S-M-O-K-E. Smoke. Next one. Dash protect our body from heat, rain, cold and storm. Clothes. C-L-O-T-H-E-S. Clothes. Dash prepares food for the plant. Leaves. L-E-A-V-S. Leaves. Finish children writing? Yes. See children, next bit. What is the next bit children? Match the columns. Yes children, match the columns. Now children, first one is air helps. See children, B bit, match the columns. Air helps these to rise. What children? Air helps this to rise. Water. Container used to storing a water tank. Special outfit children, swimsuit. Okay. Animals that lives on tree. Yes children, animals. Monkey. Plants provide us with spices to put out a fire. What children? Hot air balloon. Understood children? One more time. Air helps this to rise. Water. Container use strong water tank. Special outfit, swimsuit. Animal that lives on tree, monkey. Animals provide us with spices. Plants provide us with spices. To put out fire, hot air balloon. Okay children, see bit. Match the picture of the food, their sources. Plants children here. Plants. Food their sources children. Vegetables. First one is vegetables. And second one is rice. And third one is apple. Yes children, fruits and vegetables, rice and apples to get the plants. Animals children. Animals, eggs. And children, one more, only eggs. Eggs are animal gets to. And cheese also animal milk. Okay children. Okay. Understood? Yes. Now next. Yes children, your lesson is finished. What you will write children? Matching columns, worksheet and answer the following. And the parts of the plant is called dash. Fill in the blanks also you write. See children here. Do it yourself. Do it yourself. What children? Look at the trees and name the animals that live on it. Yes children, look at the tree children here. Look at the tree and name the animals that live on it. Which animals live children here? Snake. Right children. I write on the board. Do it yourself. First one is snake. And second one is birds. And next is owl. And fourth one is monkey. And fifth one is cuckoo. And sixth one is ants. See children here. snake, birds, owl, monkey, this cuckoo, and these all are ants. So children, here write, this one here write children, write neatly. Yes children, finish your children. Snake, S-N-A-K-E, snake, S-N-A-K-E, snake, B-I-R-D-S, birds, O-W-L, owl, M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey, C-U-C-K-O, cuckoo, A-N-T-S, ants. See children, page number 69, fill in the blanks. The part of the plant that has seeds in the called ovals. The dash parts of the plants found in the soil, root. That carries food and water to all parts of the plant, stem. Animals like snakes and birds live on tree. Plants helps to make the air, carbon dioxide. Name any two animals that live on tree, monkey and snake. Name any two parts of the plant, leaf and stem. What is the function of root? Hold the plants. What do the green leaves need to make the food plants? Water, sunlight and nutrients. Yes children, worksheet part. 8. Take a space as and wait. Cooking and bathing are the uses of water. Some food items like carrot can be eaten raw. Air gets polluted by smoke. Cloth protect our body from heat, rain, cold and storm. Leaving prepared food for the plant. Yes children. Yes children. Everyone take out your classwork book. Write these bits children. Okay. Classwork. Social classwork book. Write this bit children. Okay. Take out your children, take out your social classwork book, pencil, eraser, everything take out children. Yes children, first one, write in your classwork book, sowing seeds, S-O-W-I-N-G, sowing seeds. Second one, watering plant. Yes children, watering plant. Next one is uprooting a plant. Fourth one, a girl hugging a tree. Yes children, these are good duty to good care of plants. Sowing seeds, watering plants, uprooting a plant, a girl hugging a tree. These 4 bits, it is our duty to take good care of plants. Write neatly children. Good care of plants. Yes children, good care of plants. Sowing seeds, S-O-W-I-N-G, sowing, S-E-E-D-S, seeds. Watering plant, W-A-T-E-R-I-N-G, watering, P-L-A-N-T, plant. Uprooting plant, U-P, up, R-O-O-T-I-N-G, rooting, A-P-L-A-N-T, plant. A girl hugging a tree, A-G-I-R-L, girl, H-U-G-G-I-N-G, hugging, A-T-R-E-E, tree. Write neatly in your class workbook, children, now. Yes, children, good care of plants, sowing seeds, watering plant, uprooting a plant, a girl hugging a tree. Finish, children? Yes. So, children, your 12th lesson is completed. Now it's time for Sakshi. Sakshi, children, write in your social class workbook, children. Sakshi, homework. Yes, children, this one, good care of plants. Yes, children, page number 72. This children, sowing seeds, watering plant, uprooting plant, a girl hugging a tree. Good care of plants. Homework 2 times. Okay, children? Homework 2 times. Sakshi, page number 72. Good care of plants. Sowing seeds, watering plant, uprooting a plant, a girl hugging a tree. Homework write 2 times. Understood, children? Your homework is completed. You take the photo and send me school ID. What is the school ID, children? My school, my homework @gmail.com. This is school email ID. Okay, children, understood? Yes, children, bye. We'll meet the next section. Bye. Take care, children. Bye.